Gas shield welding mode. Adjust manual welding mode. Built-in wire feeder with voltage adjustable knob to adjust the wire feed speed. Digital display. Adopts quality cover lens and technical grid transformer. Provides strong welding ability. MIG MMA switching. Quality IGBT module with higher inverter working frequency. Dramatically reduce the electric energy loss on the welding process. Gas shield welding mode. Adjust manual welding mode. Built-in wire feeder with voltage adjustable knob to adjust the wire feed speed. Digital display. Adopts quality cover lens and technical grid transformer. Provides strong welding ability. MIG MMA switching. Quality IGBT module with higher inverter working frequency. Dramatically reduce the electric energy loss on the welding process.